Myra, catch the ball.
Got it. That was easy.
Myra, catch the ball.
Got it. That was easy.
Your throw is strong today.
I practiced yesterday.
Your throw is strong today.
I practiced yesterday.
Let me try again.
Okay. I am ready.
Let me try again.
Okay. I am ready.
Here it comes.
Nice throw.
Here it comes.
Nice throw.
You move fast.
I balance well now.
You move fast.
I balance well now.
Your artificial leg helps.
Yes. It feels natural now.
Your artificial leg helps.
Yes. It feels natural now.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Anya.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Anya.
Do you feel tired?
Not yet. I feel good.
Do you feel tired?
Not yet. I feel good.
Let us clap and pass.
That sounds fun.
Let us clap and pass.
That sounds fun.
Clap once.
Then pass.
Clap once.
Then pass.
Oops, I missed.
Try again. No worry.
Oops, I missed.
Try again. No worry.
You are patient.
Friends should be patient.
You are patient.
Friends should be patient.
True. Ready again.
Yes, always.
True. Ready again.
Yes, always.
Catch.
Caught in.
Catch.
Caught in.
You smile a lot.
Playing makes me happy.
You smile a lot.
Playing makes me happy.
Me too.
This ball is perfect size.
Me too.
This ball is perfect size.
My hands feel warm.
Mine too.
My hands feel warm.
Mine too.
Let us sit for a moment.
Okay. Short rest.
Let us sit for a moment.
Okay. Short rest.
Your leg looks cool.
I like the color.
Your leg looks cool.
I like the color.
It suits you.
Thank you, friend.
It suits you.
Thank you, friend.
Ready to play again.
Yes. I am ready.
Ready to play again.
Yes. I am ready.
Last round.
Best round.
Last round.
Best round.
Throw high.
Catch strong.
Throw high.
Catch strong.
We did great.
We always do.
We did great.
We always do.